Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to cut and sew a simple boubou or abaya. Hi, my name is Ayo and I'm reaching you from Lagos, Nigeria. On this channel, I upload DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do so and do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So now, let's get right into the tutorial. Thank you. I'll be working with the following items: fabric pins, tape measure, tailor's chalk, long ruler, short ruler, curves, 2.5 yards of this lovely crepe fabric, and a pair of scissors. I'll be working with the following measurements: dress length 60 inches. I will measure from the center back of the back to the desired sleeve length, and this gave me 15 inches. Shoulder to hip measurement 28 inches. Find the biggest measurement between the bust, the waist and the hips. Mine is the hip circumference, which is 43 inches. So I have here 4 folds of fabric. I have separated the fabric for the back and the front, as you can see, and I secured the 2 pieces together with my pins. The center back to the desired sleeve length measurement is 15 inches. So the width of the fabric fold is exactly 15 inches, but you can add additional 1 to 2 inches seam allowance to yours if you have enough fabric for this. I now go ahead and mark 11 inches for the sleeve opening. I'll measure 11 inches and I'll mark the 11-inch point. I will add additional 1 inch to this for the seam allowance. I will now go ahead and measure the shoulder to hip measurement, and it is 28 inches in this case. Add an inch seam allowance to this, making it 28.5 inches. I will now square the line across. I will draw the line across like this. I will now estimate an hip circumference divided by 4 plus 2 inches for ease and seam allowance, which is 43 all over 4 plus 2 inches, which is equal to 12.75 inches. I will now go ahead and measure 12.75 inches on this line like this. And I will mark the point. I will square the sleeve opening point a little bit like this. I will draw the line across a little bit like this. I will now connect the hip measurement point to the line that I just drew like this. I make sure it is a straight line. It is perpendicular to the hip line measurement. Using my French curve, I will now curve this side. I curve this side like this. I will now go ahead and measure the full length of the dress In this case, it is 60 inches. So I will mark the 60-inch point like this. I will now add extra 2 inches for the hemming, allowance, for the seam allowance at the lower part. I will square the line across like this. I will now connect the hip to the hem of the dress. I won't make it a straight line. It will be a slanted line a little bit so that the dress will have a slight A-line shape. So I will now go ahead and draw the front neckline. I will be using 4 inches by 4 inches for the front neckline. And for the back, I will use 4 inches by 2 inches. For the back neckline, it will be 4 inches wide and 2 inches deep. Note that you can also use the same neckline dimensions for both the back and the front of the boubou. Other neckline suggestions are 5 inches by 6 inches, 4 inches by 5 inches, 3 inches by 4 inches. For the shoulder slope, I will come down by 1 inch at this end. I will come down by 1 inch. I will now go ahead and connect it to the neck point like this. I will now go ahead and cut out the dress. I cut out the front and the back necklines separately because their dimensions are different. I will now go ahead to cut out the side pockets. I have already folded the fabric into 4 and I've also already drawn a rectangle. The width of the rectangle is 7 inches while the length is 13 inches. I will now go ahead and mark 6 inches for the pocket mouth opening like this, and I will mark the 6-inch point. At this corner, I will draw a diagonal line that is about 2 inches long. At this corner, I will also draw another diagonal line that is just 1 inch long. I will now use these lines as a guide to draw out the shape of the pocket. At this corner, I will also measure another 1 inch diagonal line like this. I will now complete the shape of the pocket. So I will now go ahead and cut out the pockets. So I have here 4 pieces of the pocket that I'll be using to make the dress. I will notch the 6-inch pocket opening point like this. So I have here the pocket pieces and the main dress pieces. The position of the pocket from the shoulder is about 19 inches. So I'll measure and mark 19 inches. And I'll notch the 19-inch point at the side. At the side seam, I'll notch the 19-inch point like this. I will now pin the pocket pieces to the main dress like this, right side to right side. After doing this, I will take it to my sewing machine and stitch using 1-inch sewing allowance. I will stitch up to the 6-inch mark for the pocket opening. I will do the same thing for this other piece as well. Now that has been done, I will now go ahead and join the shoulder seams together using 1/2 inch sewing allowance. I'll be using this bias tape to hem the neckline and the sleeves of the dress. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So now that has been done, as you can see. It is now time to join the side seams together. So I will turn the dress to the wrong side like this. So I will pin the side seams together like this. Then I'll take it to my sewing machine and I'll stitch in this direction using 1 inch sewing allowance, but I will use ½ inch sewing allowance at the pocket side, and I will leave an opening of about 20 inches for the side slit. I will do the same thing for the other side as well. So now that has been done, as you can see, this is the final look of the boubou or abaya. So that's it guys, we are done. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye and thank you for watching.